Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we're going to give you 3 different simple effects that you can do in Photoshop, and they don't take any more than 1 layer to accomplish. So these are real easy, great for beginners, and it'll get you to experiment more and not be so afraid of Photoshop. So many people just are so afraid. They go, Photoshop just gets too complicated. Well, I'm going to show you today it doesn't have to be complicated. We can break it down simple and easy. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first effect I'm going to do here is called the dramatic effect. Okay, we look at this photo and it's a nice photo, but it's kind of bland. It's evenly lit, and there's no drama here. There's no excitement. We're going to go ahead and add it. All right. So again, everything I promised you today, 1 layer and no more than that. All right. So here we got the thing. We're going to do a black and white adjustment layer. Okay. So I'm going to go up down here and look for the black and white. And there I go. And now I'm going to select from the default to high contrast red filter. Okay. And that changes the photo there. And you go, well, that's changing it to black and white. But there's a trick. Okay. So we've got the thing set on red filter, and now we're going to change the blend mode. And we're going to change the blend mode to multiply. And look at that. From that to nice dramatic effect. If it's a little too strong for you, well, just simply go to your opacity and dial down the opacity till you have the effect that you wish. Told you, 1 layer. Nice effect. So that's the dramatic effect. All right, let's do the next one. The next one is going to be, this is a great photo here for doing that matte effect. You know, where it's slightly faded in look. It's very, very, very popular. Done all the time in Instagrams and everything else all across the world. All right, to do that one, we're going to open up a solid color adjustment layer. So we're going to come down to here and we're going to select solid color. Okay, now this next part is we have to select the color. Now, this is a top secret color. I don't want you to give this out to anybody because this is one of my top secrets. All right. So down the value there, I want you to type 2D, 2D, 2D. Okay. So there's the color. And again, please don't tell anybody this secret. All right. So now we have that color selected and we go, well, now what do we do? Okay. We just change the blending of this transition. To do that, just double click anywhere on the layer in the blank area. And when you do, it opens up the layer style dialog box. And you have these blend if sliders down here that most people just go, oh, I don't know what that means. Don't need to. You have a triangle adjustment on the bottom, triangle adjustment here for this layer and the underlying layer. All right, we're going to be dealing with the underlying area. Now, if you do a triangle, it just removes all of it, right? But if we turn around and hold the Alt or Option key, it splits. It splits those triangles into 2 pieces. Now just simply drag it all the way to the left and hit OK. And look at that. Now we have the very popular Instagrammy faded portrait. Again, if the effect is too strong, simply drop the opacity till you're liking. When you like it, you're done. Again, 1 layer, and you got a great effect. From this to this. Okay. I saved the best for last. Okay. How many times do you go out and shoot pictures and the seasons just don't cooperate, or you're a week early or a week late, the fall hasn't changed colors or this and that, and you want to go, it was almost there, but I want to try to get it the way I wanted it in the first place. Bring that fall effect into play. Well, this one, we're going to use a tool called the Open Channel Mixer. All right. So we're going to come up and we're going to look through our list, and there's the channel mixer. Okay. And now, again, we need to be on the red channel, which we are, and we need to put these values in. Again, I ask that you don't give away my trade secrets, because these are the things that make me so awesome. And if you don't know by now, I'm being sarcastic. Ridiculous. Okay, so we're going to put the red value. We're going to type in 0. Okay, and then we're going to go to the green channel, and we're going to type in plus 200. And then we're going to go to the blue, and we're going to go negative 100. Okay, and now we're going to change the blend mode of that layer to lighten. So we come in and we change it to lighten. Now look at this. Before and after. It just brings that fall glowy look right in. And again, if you think it's too strong, simply change the opacity to your tastes. Okay? And once you've done that, you're done. One layer. So there you go. 3 simple 1-layer adjustments that you can use on your photos. Okay? So, till next week, you guys take care. Talk to you later.